got my eyes on you. Is you somebody, babe?
Hey y'all, it's Tatiana's Beauty. I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you guys what I do for extra money. And yeah. So what I do for extra money on the side is the Skipcart thing. And Skipcart is where you go to Walmart and you grab people's groceries and you deliver them. I also just stopped at Wendy's and got something to eat because I've been fucking starving all day. And they fucked my order up so that they gave me two orders. So then they gave me two orders. So I am going to be giving one of my orders away to one of the workers that brings Skipcart to me, just for a good deed, because I'm not going to eat all this food, y'all. I'm just not going to eat all this fucking food. Like, I wanted some chicken nuggets and that's it. They gave me a chicken sandwich and some fries, and then they gave me some chicken nuggets and some fries. Like, I do not need all of that. I just don't. I'm mad. But yeah, I don't need all of that, so maybe we might see my sister here delivering groceries too, because she's supposed to be here by 7. So we just do that on the side. It's pretty decent money, honestly. If you do it consistently, Sundays are the busiest for us where we live. We live up in Minnesota, Rochester area. And it gets pretty busy, I should say. So I'm gonna do that, do a few of those hopefully, and make a little extra money. It would have been a lot more money today, but I went to go see my boyfriend, and I was fucking tired as fuck after because I don't know. I went out last night, y'all, so I was super fucking tired, and yeah, I was just really, really tired. But this dude is coming over to see if it's my order, so give me 1 second. So yeah, I've just been I had to take a nap because my head has been banging all day. It's probably because I haven't ate too much all day, which is bad. I should be eating like that, y'all. I really shouldn't. But let me show y'all the pickup sign thing. So this is what the pickup signs look like. The orange area at your local Walmart. And the little bars or whatever. But yeah, I'm just waiting for them, and then they're gonna put all the groceries in the back seat. Don't look at that. But in this little area that I have closed off for the groceries. Y'all, when I had went to Wendy's, I had got a lemonade too. I don't really even be drinking that lemonade. Like, I used to love lemonade, but now I'm like cool on all the super sugary drinks, I guess. So I don't drink it as much, but I don't want it to go to waste, so. And this is why my ass is getting motherfucking fat. My ass about to go on this apple cider vinegar diet, something. Literally. This is a lot, y'all. So here they come. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at home. Sorry I did not film everything, but I ended up giving one of the workers the meal or whatever. He was thankful, he took it, and then I dropped the grocery order off to these nice, loving people. And then I had to go make a stop at my mother's house, and That was the only order I got in today. Normally I get in like 3 to 4 orders a day, but it's been a light day just because I've been so busy all day. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and click the notification bell so you can be updated for all my videos. So you can be updated for all my videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to sign up for the Skipcart app, you guys can go and download it on your app store. And that is all. See you guys in another video.